Hi there, my name's Mark Richardson and I'm one of your Avery Dennison specialist trainers. This is the Avery Dennison Academy, a short series of videos for tips and tricks for installers of all abilities. In this video we will be showing an overlay on a rear bumper, so this is how I would go about it. Right, so the bumper's now been wrapped. I've cut a section off of the vinyl to create my overlay. The reason why we're doing it this way, or showing you this way, is because some areas on rear bumpers in this section can be very deep. So therefore, when you stretch the vinyl, you put the vinyl under a lot of tension. So the first way we're going to do it is we're going to use a cutting tape. Okay, so this prevents you from actually cutting on the vehicle. The reason I'm doing an overlay is because if this area ever gets damaged through pulling bags, etc. out of the boot, it's just a case that this section is removed and then you replace it with an overlay. Right, so the second option is to create a template or a stencil using masking tape. So this is option 3, and this technique is probably aimed more towards the advanced applicator. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to lay the overlay as we did in option 1 and 2, but we're going to use a lining tape. So this means we're going to run a lining tape over the overlay and then we're going to cut it by hand with a knife. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of our tips and tricks videos or register for our wrap training courses, visit our website graphics.averydennison.eu.